Good morning, class 11th. So today we start from the question number 13 in the miscellaneous exercise. In the question 13, it is given that in a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 students were found to be taken tea and 225 taken coffee and 100 were taking both tea and coffee. Find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Nothing they are taking. That we have to find. Okay. So see the question number 13. Now it is given that T1 students are 150. Okay, that are taking tea is 150, and the coffee one students is 225, and both are taking tea and coffee. Means intersection is given, both are there, so 100 were there. Okay, so first I will find union. How many are taking either this or this? So NT union C. What is the formula? That NT plus NC minus NT intersection C. NT is T1 are 150 and the coffee one are 225 minus both are 100. So 150 plus 125, it will be 270. Means 270 students are there who are taking either tea or coffee. Now how many total are there? Total students are there 600. Total is given 600. Now listen carefully. Total are 600 and these are the students who are taking either tea or coffee. Means anything they are taken. Either than this all are not taken anything. So neither tea and nor coffee. Neither tea nor coffee. Neither tea and nor coffee are, how many students are there? Total are 600 minus left are 275. So 600 minus 275, that 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2 and 325. So 325 students are there who are taken either tea or coffee. Now next question, 14th. 14th is in a group, I think something is problem. In a group of students, so these are the students who are neither tea or nor coffee. So now question number 14th is in a group of students, 100 students know Hindi, 50 know English and 25 know both the language. Each of the students know either English or Hindi. How many students are there in the group? Okay. So 100 students who know Hindi and 50 students who know English. Okay, and 25 know both. So intersection is given 25. Now we have to find union. A very easy question. NH union E, that NH plus NE minus NH intersection E. NH is Hindi one are 100, English one are 50 minus 25, 150 minus 25, so 125 students who will speak either Hindi or English. Note it down. Now last question, question number 16. 51 will do at the last because not too much have time. So right now 16 we will do. 16 is in a survey it was found that 21 people liked product A, 26 liked product B and 29 liked product C. if 14 people like product A and B, 12 are like C and A, and 14 are like B and C, 8 like all the three products, how many like product C only? That we have to find. So note it down. I will solve it by the using of Venn diagram. Now see that. These are the three product that it will be A, B and C. He said that all the products are 8. So here 8 will be there. Having all the products. 8 like all the three products. Now 14 are like B and C. Listen carefully. 14 are like B and C. These two. So here 14 will come. But here also it will be included. So 14 minus 8. It will be 6. Now count it. At having both 8 plus 6 are 14. So like this we can fill in the Venn diagram. And after that 12 people like C and A. 12 are like C and A. So 8 are already there. So how much are left? 4. 8 plus 4 now 12. And same 14 are A and B. So here also 6. Okay. And what we have now, I will write 21 people like product A. So NA will be 21, NB will be 26 and NC will be 29. If 14 like A and B, so here you can write N A intersection B are 14 and 12 like C and A and 14 like B and C. So now we have to find how many like product C only. This only we have to find. So how many students or things are there product in C? 29 are there. Total are 29. So listen, in this one 29 are there. Out of 29 these will not count because I want this part only. Only C is it. Only this one. So these will not count. So only C will be what? If I have to find only C, 29 minus all these things. Common part of all plus common part of B and C plus common part of A and C. If I subtract all, then 29 minus that 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. The 29 minus 8, that 1 and 1. So 11 are there in C only. So now after that last question left, question number 15, that we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you all of you.